In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set Cloudflare DNS IPv6 on Windows 11 step by step. This setup will help you improve your browsing speed, increase privacy, and enable encrypted DNS using DNS over HTTPS. If you want faster and more secure internet on your Windows 11 PC, this is something you should absolutely configure. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also show you the recommended IPv4 backup settings for maximum stability. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 guides just like this. Let's get started. First, we need to access your network settings. Click on the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings app from the search results. Once you're inside Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click on Network and Internet. This is where all your connection options are located. Now, select Wi-Fi if you're connected wirelessly, or choose Ethernet if you're using a wired connection. Make sure you click the option that matches your active internet connection. After that, scroll down and click on Hardware Properties. This section gives you access to the deeper configuration settings for your specific network adapter. Now we're going to switch from automatic DNS to manual mode. Find the section labeled DNS Server Assignment and click the Edit button next to it. By default, this will likely be set to Automatic DHCP. Click the drop-down menu and change it to Manual. This is the critical step that allows you to input custom DNS addresses instead of using the ones provided automatically by your internet service provider. Once you switch to Manual, you'll see options for both IPv4 and IPv6. Since this tutorial is focused on setting Cloudflare DNS IPv6, we'll start there. Toggle the IPv6 switch to On. You'll now see fields where you can enter your DNS addresses. In the Preferred DNS field, type the following address carefully: 2606:4700:4700:1111. Double-check for typos, because even a small mistake will prevent it from working. Right below that, you'll see an option for Preferred DNS over HTTPS. Set this to On using the automatic template. This ensures your DNS queries are encrypted using DNS over HTTPS, which improves your privacy and prevents your requests from being easily monitored. Next, move to the alternate DNS field. Enter this address: 2606:4700:4700:1001. Again, check that everything is typed exactly as shown. After entering it, set alternate DNS over HTTPS to On using the automatic template. Now your IPv6 Cloudflare DNS is fully configured with encryption enabled. Even though this guide is focused on IPv6, it's very important to configure IPv4 as a stability backup. Some networks and applications still rely on IPv4, so setting this ensures everything works smoothly. Toggle the IPv4 switch to On. In the Preferred DNS field, enter 1.1.1. Then in the alternate DNS field, enter 1.0.0.1. These are Cloudflare's IPv4 DNS servers, and they match your IPv6 configuration for consistent performance and reliability. Once you've entered all the addresses and confirm that DNS over HTTPS is enabled for IPv6, click Save to apply all the changes. Windows will immediately start using Cloudflare DNS for both IPv4 and IPv6. And that's it. You've successfully set Cloudflare DNS IPv6 on Windows 11, along with a stable IPv4 backup configuration. You should now experience faster DNS resolution, improved privacy, and encrypted DNS queries. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips, networking tutorials, and easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.